them together. Just add the glue and make one batch. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to look. It's supposed to look like this, apparently. Where that? That is not.
You need to mix it really well. Keep mixing.
It's kind of turning. Oh yeah, it's good. I'll see if I can add the rest of it. It's kind of coming. Oh yeah, it's getting better. I think. Should I try to mix it with my hands now?
Just keep mixing.
I think with my hands would be a little bit better. Just add the glue. Makes one first. I'm getting the glue all over. Okay, yeah, it's getting a little bit better, but my hands are... This says add 3 teaspoons. and that's all. Not the whole thing.
Pretty sure you have to add the
Look, 3 teaspoons.
No, it says then add a little bit more at a time until it's done.
Oh. I didn't add the whole thing glue, but are you pointing it good? The camera? Okay, I'm gonna see if I can mix it with my hands now. Getting a little bit better with my hands. Ooh, I like that color. It's getting better. It just is really sticky. Do you think it's getting better? You saw it in the bowl and now you see it after. It might be stuck to my hands forever. Okay, it's getting way better. It's like starting to be less sticky. It's like really strong and sticky. Like it's strong, but it's stretchy. Okay, I'm gonna get the rest of it. Ooh. Oh, look at that. It's like a pink and then it's like shimmery. Well, to me, it's kind of like a pink. Oh, it's supposed to be pink. It's kind of like, not close to a peach, but a little bit like a peach. Or, I don't even know what color it is. It's just really shimmery and shiny. Now I can't get it off my hands. Okay. The only reason I'm putting it in the bowl is because there's more. Kids do not do this at home. Okay. If you guys want to know a couple stuff about me, because I'm not doing that one, it was bad, that first.